Hello everyone, it's me Ahmed Radwan, and today we are going to continue our series about PHP from scratch, and we'll continue also with file upload. And today we are going to talk about big files. Okay, so let's get started. Here, as you see, I have created a file called info.php, and it has only one single line of code here. This function is a built-in function in PHP that will display information about the configuration of PHP itself. When I run it here, okay, as you can see, it's giving me very useful information about the configuration of the PHP I'm running, okay, the version and many other information. Okay, now we have studied how to upload files, and as you see here, this is the script from last time. But actually you will have a problem if you are going to allow your visitors to upload big files. And by big files I mean files over 2 megabyte. Why you will have this problem? Because there are some default settings in the PHP itself that will do some conflict with that. Okay, so let's see that. Sorry, let's see this script, and I'm searching here by the word max underscore. Okay, I don't want this one. Here the first problem you will have is the max execution time. The max execution time here is set up to 30 seconds. Means if you are going to allow big files, say for example 20 megabyte, most likely the script will time out before the file completely uploaded. Okay, and the result, the file will not be uploaded or not be saved. And this value is set to protect you actually. For example, if you by accident made endless loop, okay, the script will keep looping forever. Okay, but because of this value, it will loop only for 30 seconds. Then after that it will time out and protect your server and your resources. But if now you are going to allow your visitors to upload big files, you have to consider changing this value. Okay, the second one is max files upload. Okay, this is actually not important at the moment. It means actually, I will leave it for now. Okay, it means how many files at once you can upload. 20 is okay for the moment, unless you have a very big and huge site that has lots of traffic. You may need to consider changing this as well. I will find another one. This is the other one, post max size. As you know, when we send a file to the server, we are using post, right? We are using post, not get. And if the post's maximum size is 8 meg, okay, and you want to allow 20 meg, you have also to consider changing this value, okay, and make it bigger than the file you are going to allow, the file size you are going to allow. Okay, so this is the second value we need to consider. Next, here it's very obvious, upload max file size, it equals to 2 meg. This is why I said you will have problem after the 2 meg. Okay, so if you are going to upload to allow more than 2 meg, you have to consider changing this value as well. Okay, this is the default values for the setup that initially comes with PHP. Okay, in order to change these values, you have to go to edit the ini file. Let's try to find where is this file is. Here I'm under the directory of my server. Here I'm saving my files that will be displayed in the browser, but I don't want this folder. I will go up one level, then I go to bin here, then PHP, then again PHP 5, then I search for the ini file and php.ini file, ini or ini. Okay, and I want to open this file. I choose open with. When you open this file, please use a text editor. Don't use Word, for example. I want a simple text editor. Okay, because if you are going to use Word, and you may save unwanted characters. Okay, so please use Notepad or TextPad, or maybe also you can use NetBeans to do that. The most important, you have to be careful not to open it with Word, for example. Okay, then I choose this Notepad. Then I want to search for the values I mentioned. Actually, I wrote them here. First one is the max execution time, and I will search for it. Edit, find. As you see here, this is the value 30, as we have seen in the PHP info. Where is it? This is the one. See here. So there is no rule for that. It depends on many factors, like your server bandwidth and also the user bandwidth. If you are having a user that is using dial-up, you need more time. Okay, it's something like you don't know what we can do exactly for this one, so make it as maximum as possible for that if you are going to allow big files, and you have to try it many times to find the good result of that. Second one is the upload max file size. Here it says 2M, means 2 megabyte. Of course, it's up to you to change it to the value you want, maybe 10 megabyte, 20, whatever you want. And the last one is post max size. It's here, and it's 8 megabyte. Okay, once you change it also to the value you want depending on your needs. After you do all of that, I don't want to do anything. I don't want to change my php.ini file in any way now. I'm just showing you that because maybe you have this situation. Okay, so if you got problem, you know what to do in this case. And after that, you save and close it, and you have to restart Apache. Okay, or restart WAMP. Again, this is, if you are going to do it this way, you are going to affect all the scripts and all the sites that running under this PHP setup. Okay, but if you want only to affect one single script, you don't want to affect all the scripts, all the sites, you want to affect this script, for example, there is a way to do that also using a function in PHP. Okay, this is the function, it's called ini set, and it takes two variable here, the string, okay, and the value of it. I'm going to show you how to do that. For example, I want to change this one, the max execution time. I will have to do it at the beginning of the very beginning of the file. Okay, maybe I do it here, maybe here. Okay, I will start with PHP tag, then what's this, PHP, then here I will say ini underscore set, and as you see NetBeans is trying to help me. Okay, I choose the value as is, max exactly as is. Okay, the variable name here, okay, and here this is a max execution time, so I want it to be, for example, 500 seconds. Okay, just an example. And another one, I want to do it for the second value here, upload max file size. This is going to be where next upload max file size is here 2M. If you are going to do it here, don't use the M. So I want it to be, for example, 10 meg. I'll just type like that, 10. No need for M. If you try M, you will have error. And the same for the third variable also, post max size. It's easy, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, just I'm showing you that in case if you have such a situation. Okay, and also of course don't forget to change this value here. Here we restricted the maximum size, right? Here, so also you have to change this one depending on your needs. After that you save, and this is only will affect this script. It will not affect the whole site or other sites, only this script. Honestly, I haven't tried that because I had such a situation before, and I did it through the php.ini. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching, and see you again. Bye.